Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a working mic and Office 365 access. Plug in or pair the microphone, then allow mic permissions in your computer settings. Open Word, sign into your Office account, and choose a blank document. Once done, set the document language so Dictation recognizes your accent. Go to Review then Language. Make sure noise is low and the mic is positioned correctly. This reduces errors and speeds recognition, so you can dictate accurately. Once the basics are ready, click Home and choose Dictate to turn it on. Select your microphone from the small drop-down. You will see a red dot indicating active listening. Speak in natural phrases and insert punctuation verbally. Say comma, period, or new paragraph to control formatting. If Word mishears a word, pause and use the keyboard, or say select word then replace with word. Continue in short bursts to keep accuracy high and avoid long uncorrected errors. To finish, stop Dictate and read your text aloud to catch context errors. You will catch homophones and formatting issues this way. Use Review then Editor to apply grammar and clarity suggestions and make any manual adjustments with the keyboard. If Dictate fails to start or transcribes poorly, restart Word, reconnect the microphone, and update audio drivers. Also confirm your Office subscription supports Dictate. If problems continue, try a different mic or test Dictation in another app to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.